Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Good Morning America Discover the Deals box. This is the beauty edition. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this is the GMA, the Good Morning America Discover the Deal box, and it's the booty edition, the beauty edition. It ain't your booty, it's the beauty. It's the beauty edition right here. About 2 years ago, they I don't know how long they've been doing this, but about 2 years ago, one of my wonderful subscribers told me about it, and I purchased it, and it was really good. Last year, I kind of was on the fence with it. It just didn't look like there was really good products, so I declined, and I just didn't get it last year. But I got an email this year stating that it's back, so I guess it's like once a year. So this time, I looked at it because it gives you a full list of everything that's included. It gives you the retail values, and it looked like it was pretty decent this time. So I know there's some items that I'm going to keep for myself, and intentionally I bought this one just because the other products will go to one of you guys. So it's a win-win for me. That's why I grabbed it. So to know a little bit about this before we dive in, this is valued at $412 retail value, and you pay $84 with free shipping. So $84 free shipping, and you can get this, and it's supposed to be a savings of $328. Again, they give you the list of everything so you know what's going to be in it ahead of time. And then there was one that said like these 3 items, I think there was 3, are valued over like more than the box was in itself. So I'm like, that's definitely a good value. So let's go ahead and dive in. There's supposed to be 21 full-size products. No samples is what it says, and all sales are final with these boxes. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. So when you first open it up, that is what it looks like right there. Something tried to jump out of the box, but didn't quite make it. So we'll go with this one first. This one here is a roll-on bracelet, and this is the only one under accessories, and this is valued for $15. So it's like this really pretty green color, and then I guess you stick it on and you roll it on. But I'm going to save this for one of you guys, so I'm not going to roll it around my big old chunky Dunkin' wrist. I'll leave it the way that it is so nothing is altered or changed. But that is what it looks like right there. And again, that's valued for $15. A through trade, the original roll-on bracelet. So I'll put that right back down inside. Next we have is from Para Silk. It's a foot spot peel. Smooths cracked heels, exfoliates dry and hardened skin, targeted easy gel application. This is valued for $25 right there. So you have a foot spot peel treatment valued at $25. Now you have is pimple patches, and I absolutely love having these because I do break out with hormonal breakouts. So I love having these around. They're super simple. When you see a breakout coming, you got different sizes. Choose your size wisely. Put it over it, go to sleep in the morning, pull it off, and a lot of the stuff will just be like sucked out. It's like miracle suckers for your pimples. They work really good. So this one right here would be under skincare. The pimple patches, there's 36 count, and they're valued for $6. And I like that it's in a resealable, reusable Ziploc pouch, so you can keep it in there, keep them closed, and keep them fresh. So I do like that. Now we have is Recovery Anti-Aging Collagen Sheet Mask. Ooh, it feels like a biggin in there. It feels thick. It definitely feels thick in there. Collagen Sheet Mask by PMD Beauty. This right here is valued for $10. Now we have is Ice and Smile Lift Reusable Wrinkle Smoothing Patches. Includes one set of 2 reusable medical grade silicone eye and smile lift patches. Reusable, so how many times do you get to use them over and over again? Reuse. Okay, with proper care, patch will last up to 10 usages. So if you take care of them well, you can use them up to 10 different times. That's neat. This is the 2-pack, and this is valued for $25. So this in itself is $25, and that's cool that I guess you can reuse it up to 10 times. So at least it's just not like a one-time done, one and done, wham bam, thank you ma'am situation. You get to reuse it a couple times. Now this is Bug Bite. This is something that I do not have, so I was actually excited to just have this around because you never know. And it says Bug Bite Thing. It's an insect bite plus sting suction tool. And there's so many things going on outside all the time that you can definitely get bit at any given time. So I like that this is just something small that I can have here, and if anything were to happen, I got it. It's covered. And this right here is valued for $18. So I'm really glad that it's in here because, again, that's not something that I would probably just remember to go buy at the store or look for at the store, but it is something that is good to have around my house. So I'm really glad that that is in there. Now we have is a wet brush, which I'm super excited about because I love wet brushes. This one actually has two different types of bristles. So you have the top bristles and then you have like the little shorty ones down in there as well. And this one is the Pro Shine Enhancer. Adds shine while gliding through tangles with ease. So that's really neat. Again, I could always use a good brush, and the wet brushes are what I do use. So I'm excited about that. And this is valued for $16. And I like that it at least came with a little protector to cover the bristles in transit. So there's that. Again, $16. So now we have this is by Perricone MD. I'm not sure. I'm not good with names. If you follow me, you know what else is new. This is a no rinse intensive pore minimizing toner. I love toners, so I'm all game. Heck yeah. So this guy right here would be under skincare, and this is valued for $45. That's not the most expensive in here, but it's like the second. Yeah, that's the second highest valued item from this box. That is what you get, and it is a toner. And again, I love toners, I love skincare, all of that. So I'm so happy to see this in there, and for $45, whew, I wouldn't think a toner would be that much. So I'm super excited to test that out. Okay, so now we have, this definitely will go for one of you guys because I see the word lavender right on it. It's a Body Boost Raw Sugar Scrub Lavender Vanilla. It's to prevent stretch marks and to stop itchies. It's a 2 ounce, and yeah, I would totally love sugar scrubs, but lavender, no, no thank you. This one right here is valued at $8. So $8 value. Right there. Another lavender scented product that I will pass down to one of you guys. This is a lavender scented exfoliation foot peel. These work really good, but with the word lavender, I don't want to smell it. I don't want it near me, so I will save this for one of you guys to beautify your feet. Look at that good before and after right there. And the first time it wasn't this brand, but the first time I used one of these type of products, it took about a week for it to actually do anything. And like, I took my socks off one day to get in the shower, and like all my feet were like pilled almost. I'm like, holy moly. But before that, my feet were like burning up through my ankles, like wherever that little booty touched. Now I'm really trying to say booty, the little sock booty, not for your booty, but the booty for your foot. Everywhere, like my foot was like burning, and I literally was thinking like something was wrong, and I was gonna have to go to the doctor. And I'm like, okay, if it does this again like one more day, I'm gonna need to like figure out what's going on, because it really it was like alarming. I've never had that type of like a tingling sensation that just didn't go away. And then like the next day is when I saw all of that, and I was like, okay, that makes sense. I guess it was doing that to make like to shed the skin. So if you do use it and you have like some type of tingling sensation or anything like that, it's okay. It's your skin tightening to peel its layer. To shed its layer. So just FYI, just because that's my own personal experience, I'll pass that down in case that ever happens to anybody else. You'll be aware, and you won't have to be scared trying to go to the doctor like I almost did. I was a little scared, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. Now we have is a full-size David's Premium Toothpaste Whitening, fluoride-free, sulfate-free, natural peppermint. And this is a 5.25 ounce. And I guess it's better that way for you. This is valued for $10. This one comes with this, and I think it's really, really neat. I've never seen another toothpaste brand actually come with the tool. I know my mom had bought me a little tool, like a little plastic thing to go on my toothpaste, and I still have it, and that's what I put on. But this one, it comes with this really neat, it reminds me like, you know, you're turning like an old school like sardine can or something. So it has this little hole right there that you would slide over the top of this. And then as you're going, you just start twisting it. Well, it'll stay once you twist it good. Twist it good. Da-na-na-na-na. But you just start twisting it because it's too full right now, and then you'll get down to every last drop. But I think this is super neat that it comes with this tool. So valued for $10 for that toothpaste right there. Now we have is, and I think this came in like the last box that I got too, these little spatties. It's the baby spatty daddy. It's a little one for your makeup, for anything that you want to use. You can get this little spatula to get into little areas if you need to. This is the 6-inch beauty spatty for $5 value. So there is that guy. See how it's dipping in to get down into like your little bottles. So you can use it for anything. It doesn't have to go for makeup, but a little handy dandy tool to get you in tight spaces. I'll say that. All right, this one here says Beauty Bio, the Radiance Brightening Omega Plus Rose Hip Seed Facial Oil. And when I hear rose hip, it just reminds me of rose, and I stay clear from it, and I don't know if rose hip has anything to do with rose or rose scent. I don't know. You guys let me know. So this one I think I'm just going to save in this container. I think this is the most expensive product. This is a brightening facial oil valued for $70 in itself. And it just says, how-to instructions. Apply the radiance in the morning and evening after cleansing face. Twist cap and push button to release 1 to 2 drops onto your fingertips and massage over your face or targeted areas. And yeah, so valued for $70, but I will save this to go in that giveaway, that advent calendar, so you guys can enjoy the $70 product, because rose hip, and I already have enough skincare to last me a very long time, so I'd rather share with you guys and pass that down. So there's that. Now we have is, oh, and yes, okay, cool. I have a brush by this brand. I believe it's this brand. Yeah. And I use it literally every single day. So when I saw this in the picture, I'm like, oh, I think that's like the same brand that I'm currently using. So that's really cool. So here is the makeup brush. So hey, I'm excited for a makeup brush. That doesn't happen often, but it did happen today. I'm excited. This right here is the LR112 blending brush. It's $15 value for this one brush. So I'm super excited to add that to my brush collection, because yeah, there's the brand. That's the name of it. LaRusi? I don't know. Then let's go here. We have, it says Glow to Go Teeth Whitening Pen. And if I'm not mistaken, I think there was a whitening pen in the first box that I got from them as well. This one says that it's a teeth whitening pen valued for $25. And I'll probably just set that aside for one of you guys to enjoy. But there is a whitening tooth pen, again, $25. So now we have is a hydrating overnight mask. Ooh, I'm actually excited about that. I love a hydrating, like a water cream, that kind of thing for nighttime. So I definitely want to try this one out. It says hyaluronic acid, collagen extract, and it is a 1.76 ounce container. And that's what it looks like. Valued for $15. Oh, let me read if I have to wash it off. Apply a generous amount at night on clean face and neck to help moisturize your skin while you sleep. For all skin types. Cool. If it said wash off in the morning, then I'll be like, all right, put it right back in the package, because those just, I always forget in the morning what I put on my face. Like, would I need to rinse it off today? Would I not? So I just avoid those products myself. But the ones that you leave on and you don't have to wash off, I'm all for. So I'm super excited about that. So down inside of this, if you want to see what it looks like, it has kind of like a slight clean scent to it, and that's what it looks like. But I'm super excited to try that out. Again, I love me a good like water cream moisturizer to put on at night. So I'm excited about that. And that again is valued for $15. Now we have is a Laura Geller product. It says Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick Metallic, and it's in the color Highline Honey. This is valued for $21. It has kind of like a nice soft finish to the plastic. It's not like a hard plastic. It's kind of like a soft feel to it. It feels nice. And then when you open her up, you see how it has like the little design all around it? That is so cute. And that's actually a really pretty color. You guys know I don't really normally do things with my lips at all. So, ooh, and look at, yeah, it's all the way down. So I don't want to swatch this. I'd rather save this for one of you guys. Again, that's $21. Now we have is a scrunchie set. This I will save for one of you guys as well because I have so many scrunchies. And it's satin scrunchies 3-piece set, and there's 3 different colors right there. 3-pack of scrunchies. This is valued for $20. 3 scrunchies for $20. They're satin, so hopefully it'll be better in your hair, but I'll save that for one of you guys. Now we have is a little nail polish, and it says 322 Hamptons. This is called a mini polish in the Hamptons. So it's a mini size. That's weird if this will be all full size products, why they put a mini size in here, but that's valued for $8. So there's that, and it's like a light pink color. This product here I think is a really neat concept, but it is actually golden color, so I'm going to save it for one of you guys. This is where you can layer your necklaces. So if you have like 3 different necklaces that you would like to wear, or 2, you don't have to use the 3rd one. Then you can connect them together so you can layer them all together so they're not going to get like all intertwined and tangled up. I think it's a really cool concept. Like I said, if it was silver, I would probably hang on to it, but I only normally wear just this one. So I'd rather this go to one of you guys who could actually utilize it and layer your necklaces the way that you would like to, and have this to help you out. So this is the Canvas Layer and Go Necklace Clamp in gold, and it's valued for $18. Holy moly, $18 just for the little extender kind of thing. But that's cool. Like I said, it's a great concept. So hopefully one of you guys will be layering your necklaces and loving the way that it looks using this thing. So now the last item in here, you guys, is turmeric ginger herbal tea. And we get this big old thing of it. I love a good tea, especially like at night, especially if my throat's hurting or I'm not feeling good. I like a nice little herbal tea. So I'm all for it. And when you open it up, there's this little card on the top where you can save 20% off if you wanted to order more. And then there's the box full. This is valued for $7. Ginger herbal tea. There's 15 bags inside. And that's cool that they do give you a little coupon in there. So if you do want to order more, you can utilize the coupon to save money. So that is everything that came in this, what was it? The booty edition? It ain't your booty, it's your beauty. So that is everything in the beauty edition GMA Discover the Deals box. Do you guys get this? Have you ever got it? Did you want to get it? It is sold out. I tried like this morning when it said it was out for delivery. I tried to go back to the site to see if it was still available, and it says that this deal is no longer available. So hopefully next year we'll have another good round and there'll be another good products. But again, this was supposed to have, was it 21 full-size products, but you do have one that they even considered it a mini on their website. They call it a mini. But that is cool. So we have a lot of cool stuff. We have tea. We have a little layering clasp thing to help you layer your necklaces. A $70 face oil right there. You have a body scrub. You have some scrunchies, a little mini polish, a lipstick, a brush, a foot peel. You have some teeth whitening. This little bite stinger sucker outer seems really neat. You have a little spatty. You have these that you can reuse up to 10 times if you take care of them properly. You have a collagen sheet mask. You have another thing for your feet. Pimple patches, a toner. There's a rolling bracelet. You have this overnight mask. And then you have the toothpaste with this handy dandy little tool to roll out. Dun, 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 to get every little drop out of there. So that is everything that came in this box. So that is everything. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that came inside? Would you have thought this was a good value if you did purchase it, or did you purchase it and you do think it's a good value or you don't? Let me know everything down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.